fabulous during the festive Christmas season. Very crowded, but full of activities and lights. In this video, you will see 5 London Christmas favorites. First are the light street installations and decor in Oxford Street, around Liberty, Carnaby Street, and Regent Street. Second are the festive shop displays and shopping mall decorations. Third is the fun-filled, super busy winter wonderland, where you can basically find every Christmas thing there is, from games to craft stalls, and of course, lots of food. Fourth is skating, and there are so many skating rinks around London, a lot of choices. The one I tried was in Canary Wharf because it was less crowded and closer to me.